In today's video, I'm going to teach you Connect OData Feed to Power BI. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to bring an OData source into your report so you can start analyzing it right away. First, make sure you have your Power BI report open. You can be in a new file or an existing one. Either works. On the Home tab at the top, look for the Get Data button. This is your gateway to bringing information from all kinds of places into Power BI, and it's exactly what we need for an OData connection. Click Get Data, and from the list of options that appears, choose OData Feed. OData, short for Open Data Protocol, is a standard way of exposing data over the web. It's commonly used by business systems and services to make data accessible in a consistent format, and Power BI understands it out of the box. When the OData window opens, you have two ways to provide the address of your data. If you already have the full URL for the OData feed, paste it into the URL box. Be careful to copy it exactly, no extra spaces at the beginning or end, and make sure you're using the correct service version your organization supports. If your source provides separate path segments, or you want to build the address piece by piece, click Advanced. This lets you add URL parts in a structured way, which can help if the endpoint uses a base service URL plus specific resources or query parameters. It's also useful when you need to clearly separate things like the service route, an entity set, or optional filters without worrying about typos. If you're unsure about the exact address, check your source's documentation or ask your administrator for the official endpoint. Some organizations also require you to be on VPN or within a secure network to reach the service, so make sure you have access. Once the URL is in place, or you've entered the parts using Advanced, click OK. Power BI will reach out to the service and begin the connection process using the information you provided. If everything is set up correctly, the connection will succeed and you'll be ready to work with the data in your report. And that's all there is to it. You open your report, go to Get Data, choose OData Feed, enter the URL, or use Advanced to assemble it, and click OK. It's a straightforward path to connecting web-based data, and it sets you up to keep your analysis current and consistent.